Hey everyone, I wanted to walk through what the Ressio customer or client portal will look like. So again, your clients can access Ressio either via magic links, or if they want to have the app, they can also access it via the app. This is meant to look like I opened up my portal on a smartphone. Of course, this is getting updated with your company logo, and you can pick an image per job. Couple quick things to call out on the home screen for your client is they're going to have a list of items that are still pending approval. So this could include proposals, change orders, selection items, and so on, and it will call out the due date. They'll also see any pending invoices here as well. As we scroll on down, they're going to see their latest daily log post that you've shared with them. So this is a weekly summary, a little bit longer. Any public files you've shared for the project, as well as a high-level budget summary for this job. To access any of these, they just have to click on the item and it will pull them directly into it. This is a change order document. Throughout the system, you'll notice on pretty much everything in the client portal, there's going to be a message icon in the upper right-hand corner. This is where your client will have the ability to come in and send off messages, as well as attach any types of files, photos, and so on. Also, we can do our approval in here. Couple other tabs to call out here is your client will also have their specs tab. So if you choose to share the specifications with them for the job, they will have access to this where they can come in and search based on keywords, or even come in and narrow down to just like their selection items, for example. So perhaps you want to see all of my completed selections. We can narrow that down here, see all the items, even click into each of those items and see what I had approved, send new messages, and attach additional files if needed. Approvals tab, this is where all the items that your client is signing off on will show up. Everything's pending, we'll see that up here, and then everything that's completed or declined. Log, this is where they're going to see all the different daily log posts you're sharing out with them, have the ability to come in and message on these items as well. And then more, over here you'll see the ability for the schedule and calendar. This is something you can choose to share with them, as well as more detailed budget tab. The schedule is going to appear to them in a list view, where they'll also see items that they've been assigned to and the overall percentage that's completed, and for each individual phase. They can also view the schedule in a calendar if you choose to share the schedule with them, where they'll see more of like a day-by-day understanding of what's going on this particular job. From there, we do have our budget tab. This is going to provide some additional budget details, so that overall call out for your cost plus jobs, that breakdown of what's making up these numbers here. Change log, all the different change orders and overages they might have done on their allowances, how much they've paid versus what's remaining, and their invoices. So that's really the client portal in a quick run through. If you have additional questions, let us know. Happy to jump on a more in-depth call. Thanks so much.